Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. What is going on with Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this reading is not a personal reading. If this is not your story, just leave it. Take only what fits in your stories and don't manifest the rest, because this is not for all Scorpios. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Temperance. This is the current situation. We also have the Seven of Wands. This is your challenge. The Ace of Cups. This is the spiritual lesson. The Chariot is the past situation. The present is the strength. We also have the Six of Cups. This is the future. Your attitude is the Three of Swords. The Seven of Pentacles is the outside influence. The hopes and fears is the Five of Cups. And the outcome is the Page of Wands. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your story, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is the current situation, is the Temperance. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius. It could also be that this is your energy. You are an earth angel. Or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. For most of you, this is your situation now at present. I feel like you have found peace and tranquility in your surroundings because you choose to heal and you alchemize the painful scenario, the situation, the experience, and the past. Others of you, it could also be that this is your energy because you are following your intuition and you trust the process of the universe. And aside from that, you also believe that your guardian angels are guiding you through your journey. For some of you, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Sagittarius wants to heal the relationship, the grudges, the conflict between you and them. This person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For most of you, you are advised here to find balance in your life, especially if you are still having troubles or something bothering in your mind. You are advised here to find balance in your life, to meditate, to trust your journey, and to believe that you are not alone because you are heavenly guided and protected here in your journey, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that this person viewed you as an earth angel because you manage to heal your trauma and the past experiences you have undergone. And that's why this person wants to heal the relationship between you and them. I don't know who is this person. Could be a Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And we have here the Seven of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But normally, the Seven of Wands is embodied the energy of a Leo. Could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be a group of people. I feel like this is your energy. You are very resilient. You stand on your ground no matter what will happen. And I feel like you are protecting your territory. You don't want to fight with this person or group of people. You only want to defend yourself. I feel like for some of you in the past, these people or this person crossing the borders of your limitations. And you don't want the history to repeat itself because you are protecting yourself and your family. That's why you are guards up. You don't want this person will cross the borders of your limitations again. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But normally this is the energy of a Leo. Or you have a Leo in your birth chart for some of you. I feel like this person misjudged you in the past. This person viewed you that you are a weak person because of your generosity, your kindness, and your compassion towards them. Scorpio is one of the most misunderstood sign in the zodiac. And because of that, this person viewed you in the past that you are a weak person. And now this person couldn't believe that you managed to stand on your ground, that you are very resilient, that you rise above the tribulations. And this person viewed you as a defensive person because I feel like this person messed you up. You don't want to fight. You only defend yourself. You don't want to argue. Could also be that somebody here planned to approach you and that's why you are guarded up. You are protecting your territory. And this is your challenge, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that this person wants to reach you. This person could be a Leo or a fire sign. Could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Either you are dealing with a fire sign, Leo, or a Sagittarius. Could also be that this is the reason why you are standing on your ground. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Sagittarius plan to reach out to you. And you don't want to fight. You are only defending yourself. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Leo viewed you as an earth angel because you rise above the tribulations. You are very resilient. And aside from that, you manage to heal the trauma you have experienced in the past. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Leo wants to heal the trauma, the grudges, the conflict between you and them. And you are guarded. For some of you, you are dealing with either a Sagittarius or a Leo, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And this is your challenge. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Ace of Cups. This is the spiritual lesson. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a water sign, a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Could also be that you are attracting a fellow water sign. This is a new beginning of love and romance. This is related to your love life. For some of you, this could be an activation of your heart chakra. Anahata. For most of you, it could also be that this is your energy. You pour love to yourself unconditionally. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. It could also be that this person is feeling inspired by you. This person wants to support you, to offer you a cup of love. This person having a feelings on you. This person wants you to offer a cup of love, wants to socialize with you, wants to celebrate with you. This person could be a fellow water sign. This could also be a new person. Others of you guys, if you are planning to be pregnant, this could be the best time because you are on the stage of fertility. Others of you, you are following your intuition. You are psychic, could be, or you are a very intuitive person and you are following your intuition, the wisdom of your heart and your body. For most of you, this is your energy. You learn to love yourself unconditionally, and this is what you have learned. This is from the spiritual lesson. This is from the spirit guides. Others of you, you are advised here to love yourself unconditionally. Or there will be an activation of your heart chakra, Anahata. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Chariot. Sorry guys. This is the past situation again. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. For most of you guys, this is your energy. I feel like there is a past movements here. Could also be that this is related to love and romance because this is your previous card. Somebody here wants to offer you a cup of love. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Because this is a new beginning of love and romance. And there will be a past movements here. This person wants to travel towards a new. Or it could also be that this is your energy. You are going to offer this to somebody else and you are going to travel towards to this person. I don't know. Take only what fits in your story because the energy of this reading could be reversal. And in tarot, it doesn't matter if you are male or female. For most of you, it could also be that you are going to relocate, you are going to travel, or somebody wants to travel towards on you, or somebody wants to relocate nearer on you. There could be a past movement here. Others of you, this is your journey. You never let anybody else to take the key of your destiny. And this time, because you take back your power, you are the driver of your own chariot. Because you never let anybody else to handle the key of your journey, of your destiny. You are moving towards success and victory. Because you take back your power, you have an inner will and an inner strength. You overcome the conflicts in your life. And this is your energy. You have strength and power. It could also be that this person wants to win over you. Or wants to travel towards on you to win over you. Could be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have heard the strength. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be other sign. This is the present situation. Again, you look, the past situation is the Chariot and the present is the Strength. This is again that you take back your power. You manage to tame the beast of this person who embodied the energy of Leo. Because you overcome the conflicts which was caused by this person who embodied the energy of a Leo. This person viewed you as a weak person. They misjudged you in the past. And now, since you take back your power and you are determined to hold the key of your destiny, And this person who embodied the energy of a Leo viewed you that you are a strong person. They couldn't believe because they misjudged you in the past. They viewed you as a weak person because of your generosity and compassion towards them. It could also be that you managed to tame the beast of this person, or you are taming your beast, which is the ego and the pride. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person wants to travel towards on you. Could be that this person is feeling entitled to your success. Could be that you are dealing with either a Cancer or a Leo. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And we have here, the future is the Six of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. But normally, the Six of Cups is embodied the energy of a Scorpio. Or you are dealing with a Scorpio in the past. Somebody here wants to return, to apologize, to reconcile, to ask forgiveness. This person could be in your family or in your childhood past. This could also be a nostalgia. Somebody here is reminiscing their childhood memories. This person wants to return, to apologize. This person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. But this is more on family relationship. Could be that this person is in your family or your childhood sweetheart. I don't know who is this person in your life, but somebody here wants to return because this person feel at home with you. This could also be that you are reminiscing your childhood memories. This could be that this person wants to heal the trauma. Somebody here is unhealed, and this person wants to heal the trauma between you and them. This person could be in your family. Could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Because there is Ace of Cups is also water sign. The Chariot is also water sign. And the Six of Cups is also water sign. Yeah. Could be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And this person could be either in your family or your childhood sweetheart, childhood friends. That you have a past life connection with this person. Not in the past, during the time that you are reincarnated. Could be that the past, maybe last month or last week, something like that. Somebody who wants to return, or last year, a few years ago, something like that. And it's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, if you're going to accept this person, because somebody here wants to return. And this is the future. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Three of Swords. This is the attitude in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But normally, the Three of Swords is embodied the energy of a Libra. Or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Could also be that you are dealing with a Libra. This is a painful situation. This is a heartbreaking scenario because there is loss and separation here. Could be that this person is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I don't know, but I feel like this is more on family or relationship. Yeah, there could be that in your family, there could be that you have experienced grudges or disagreement with somebody else, either in your family or your ex. And somebody here is uttering hurtful words, and that's why somebody here is feeling heartbroken. Could also be that somebody here engaged you in a third-party situation, a love triangle. And that's why somebody here is feeling heartbroken, sad. And I feel like for some of you, there will be a separation here. There could be a loss and or separation here because of this painful situation in the past, of course. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that pain is inevitable, but sufferings is an optional. It is impossible for us to love in this world without experiencing heartbreaks, betrayals, and loss. This could not be, this will not last longer. This is only a temporary, and you are advised to clear up your mindset because this is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. And you have always an infinite potential to liberate your thoughts. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is your feelings because this person put you in a third-party situation. Could also be that you are separated with this person. I don't know. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Seven of Pentacles. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus or an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And this is your previous. Could also be that this person is feeling heartbroken. Or it could also be that both of you are feeling heartbroken. You experience pain because of separation and loss regarding with this situation. Because this is your previous card, the Three of Swords, before the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And I feel like this person is reaping what they sow. Seven of Pentacles. Whatever this person did to you, they are reaping what they sow. They are experiencing heartbreak as well. Yeah. Either you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is related to your career, your creativity and investment, or a business venture. Everything you have planted in the past, all things come into fruition. There could be growth here in your creativity and investment or business venture. There will be a profit and a gain, but it's not too much. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to be patient. Because if you are going to build an empire, it will not happen on 24 hours. You need to nurture further. You need to be courageous and hopeful. Others of you, it could also be that you need changes. There could be something here that you need to change in order to have progress. Yeah, could be related to your job, creativity, and investment, or a business venture. And you are advised to be courageous, to be patient. Because I feel like all things, all seeds you planted in the past come into fruition. Could be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, and this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Could also be that this person is feeling entitled with your creativity, with your career, your investment, or a business venture, because this person knew that there is progress of what you are doing. Because you are nurturing further with this creativity, investment, or a business venture, and this person knew that there is development, progress, and there could be a profit or gain in this business or an investment. Could also be that this person needs your support, especially financially. This person could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And this is the outside influence. And we have here your hopes and fears. This is the 5 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with, again, a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Or you have an experience, a painful experience with this person who embodied the energy of a fellow water sign. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. This person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Somebody here is feeling regrets, disappointed. Somebody here is sad. You look, because there is a 3 of Swords here. There is a heartbreaking and painful situation happen. And this person is feeling regrets. Could be that they are disappointed of their actions in the past. This person is sad. This person is crying. This person wants to return, to apologize. Yellow double confirmation. The 6 of Cups. Could also be that these are the group of people. They are disappointed. They are regretful of their action in the past. I'm sorry, guys. And I feel like for some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person. Because this is the previous card before the 5 of Cups. Could be that this person is either an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or a fellow Scorpio, because normally the 5 of Cups is embodied the energy of a Scorpio. Or it could also be that this person viewed you, because somebody here wants to offer you a, just a minute, you look, there is a new offering, sir, of love and romance. And this person viewed you that you are stuck in the painful situation in the past, and you are not accepting offers because you are feeling stuck. You are in this situation in the past. For most of you guys, this could be the past situation you have experienced with this person who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Page of Wands. This is the outcome. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could also be that you have a fire sign in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. For most of you, this is your energy. You are very energetic, enthusiastic. You are very curious, and you want to take an action with this new creative spark. Could also be a new passion and desire, because you want to work with your dreams and align with your passion. And that's why this is your energy. Or somebody here wants to send you a message. This person could be a fire sign. Sorry guys, oh my god, somebody doesn't want me to talk. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And I feel like this could also be related to a new creative spark this person wants to offer you, or a new passion and desire. It could also be that this person having a strong passion and desire towards a new. This person could be a younger person than you. I don't know. Or this person is an adult but having a young at heart. This person wants to send you a message. Or it could also be that this is your energy towards to this person. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, why the 5 of Cups in this reading. Tell me more about the 5 of Cups, sir, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Five of Cups here? The Five of Cups is clarified as the third house. You look, the third house is the house of communication. Yeah. This is a German language astro cards, communication and interaction. Could be that you are dealing with either a Gemini or a Scorpio. And this person wants to communicate with you. Be very careful in communication because we are still in the Mercury retrograde. The planet of communication is in retrograde. There could be a miscommunication or misunderstanding here if you're going to communicate with this person. Because somebody who wants to communicate with you could be a Scorpio or a group of people and or a Gemini. Could also be that you have a Gemini or you are dealing with this person in the past who embody the energy of a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. This person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Could also be that this is a new person. And this person wants to communicate with you because this person viewed you that you are stuck in the painful situation in the past. This is related to love life, could be. This person viewed you that you are still suffering with this painful experience in the past because somebody here wants to offer you a new beginning, a love and romance, a new cup of love. Could be that this is the feelings of this person towards you. They viewed you that you are feeling stuck in the painful situation in the past. And this person wants to communicate with you. If this is the past person, they wants to return to apologize. That's why they wants to communicate with you. Either you are dealing with Gemini or a fellow water sign, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please. Why the Chariot in this reading? Why the Chariot here? Please tell me more about the Chariot in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Thank you, spirits. The Chariot is clarified as Lilith, the wild femininity, wealthy, Weiblichkeit. This is a German language astro cards. Lilith is a black moon, and this is the clarification of the Chariot. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Cancer, could also be any other sign, wants to travel towards a new. This person could be provoking you in the past. This person is struggling. There could be a gender struggle with this person. Or this person also, what do you call this, involved in drug addiction, alcohol addiction. This person is unhealed. That's why this is a black moon. This person could be doing love spells on you, black magic. This person is toxic, narcissist, because this person is unhealed. This person could be a psychotic disorder. I don't know. This is wild femininity. Could also be that this is a woman. I don't know. And somebody here is feeling entitled to your success. Somebody here wants to travel towards on you or to win over you. Either you are dealing with a Cancer or a person who is toxic and narcissist. This person having a gender struggle. This person could be taking drugs and alcohol. This person could be having a mental disorder. I mean, is strengths. I don't know who is this person. There could be lots of provocation here with this person happen in the past between you and this person. And this person in the past wants to control your destiny. And now, you take back your power. You are the one who drive your own chariot. Because you never let this person to control your own destiny. And that's why this person wants to travel towards on you while whatever they did to you failed. They wants to travel towards on you because somebody here wants to communicate. Communication. Either you are dealing with a Cancer or a person who is unhealed, who have, what do you call this? A mental unstable. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, clarify me please why the Three of Swords in this reading. The Three of Swords is clarified as Venus, love, and beauty. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra. And exactly because the Three of Swords is embodied the energy of a Libra. Either you are dealing with Libra or Taurus, because Taurus and Libra ruled by the planet Venus. Somebody here put you in a third-party situation, or you are engaged in a third-party situation. Could also be that this is related to hurtful words. There could be fighting in the past, disagreement, or conflict. And it caused you to have pain, or this is the reason why the separation occurs, feeling lost because of the painful situation in the past. Remember, this is your future, no, your attitude. This is the Three of Swords in this reading. Could be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart, or you are dealing with Taurus, because Venus is also the ruling planet of a Taurus. Either you are dealing with Libra or Taurus, and somebody here is feeling heartbroken. Somebody here is feeling lost because both of you are separated. Could also be because of the hurtful words, or somebody here put you in a third-party situation. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me please why the Six of Cups in this reading. The Six of Cups is clarified as the 12th house, spirituality and art. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, because the 12th house is embodied the energy of a Pisces. This person could be in your family, or your childhood friend, or childhood sweetheart. I don't know, because the Six of Cups is normally could be related to your childhood or in your family. And could be that this person is a Pisces. And exactly because this is Cups, the Six of Cups. Could be that you are dealing with Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, but more on Pisces. And this person wants to return, to apologize, to say sorry for what I have done to you. This person wants to celebrate with you. You look, the Chariot, you have her success. This person wants to offer you a cup of love, to socialize with you. This person could be a Pisces, because this is the clarification, or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me please why the Ace of Cups in this reading. The Ace of Cups is clarified as Sun, nature and personality. Sonne, this is a German language astro cards. And this is the clarification of the Ace of Cups. Could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a Leo. And this person wants to offer you a new beginning. This is related to love. This could also be that this person wants to challenge your feelings. This could also be that this person wants to help you to activate your heart chakra. I don't know. Could be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a Leo. And for most of you guys, I feel like this is your energy. There is joy, peace, prosperity, and assured success here. Could also be that you have too many illuminations here, or whatever the secret of this person will bring into light. There could be a children involved here because this is the sun. The sun is the Leo, embody the energy of Leo, and Leo is the house of children in astrology. There could be children involved here. Could also be that this person wants to heal the relationship between you and them. And that's why this person wants to offer you a cup of love, to socialize with you, to celebrate with you, and to inspire with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Either you are dealing with a Leo or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And this person wants to have a new beginning with you related to love and romance. Because this person viewed you as their sun. You are the light of their lives. It could also be that this person viewed you as a healer, or this person attracted with your aura because this is the sun. I don't know which is your energy here. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, the temperance in this reading. Why the temperance here, please? The temperance is clarified as Bagi, Disyonheitstigi. This is a German language as to cards, and this is the clarification of the temperance. Either you are dealing with a Sagittarius or a Libra, and this person wants to give you balance. This person wants to heal the grudges, the conflict between you and them. This person wants to give you balance, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Either you are dealing with Libra or a Sagittarius. Others of you, this person are now receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you because you've got your justice. Yeah, this is the cause and effect. Libra is the balance. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, why the Seven of Wands here. The Seven of Wands is clarified as Uranus. Veränderung and neu begin. This is a German language which stands for Uranus changes a new beginning. And this is the clarification of the Seven of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or a fire sign. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, because Uranus is one of the ruling planets of an Aquarius. And there could be a changes here. This person wants to have a new beginning with you. Changes, a new beginning. Or this person wants to have a fresh start with you. Either you are dealing with an Aquarius or a Leo. But you are guards up. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please, the strength in this reading. Why the strength here, please? The strength is clarified as 4th house, home and family. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Either you are dealing with Leo or a Cancer. And this could be related to home and family. Heim und Familie. This person could be a Cancer or a Leo. And this person misjudged you in the past. This person didn't believe that you have strength to tame their beast, their ego, their pride. This person didn't realize that you overcome the conflicts they have given to you, the troubles. And this person could be either a Cancer or a Leo. Or this person is in your family. I don't know. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.